Cooking has entered a new gastronomic era. Now, we've had classical cuisine with its roux thickened sauces, we've had nouvelle cuisine with its gently cooked fish and badly imitated aesthetic, and up until recently, modernist cuisine with its foams, gels, and semen-filled lips. So provoking. So what has changed enough for me to think that we've left all that jizz behind? And the idea behind this shift is so foundational and so transformative that I think even just understanding the basics of it will improve your cooking. Now, those of you who have watched one or two of my videos will already know that idea is complexity. And don't be put off by the name, because I assure you it simplifies everything. And actually, I envy you, because discovering and beginning to understand complexity was genuinely one of the most fascinating and intriguing things and ideas that I've ever learned and read about. And I find it so fascinating that I just have to share it. And this channel is about the science of cooking, but not as you know it. It's not going to be about sous videing your meat or stabilizing emulsions. And it's not just restricted to the plate. It's about understanding the world around it and even the person eating off the plate. That's you a bit better. Ever wondered why frying almost anything makes it taste delicious? And do you want to look every bit the pitmaster at your next barbecue? I got you. Wondered what regenerative agriculture is and how it's changing the world? I got you. Wondered what the microbiome is and how it can improve your health? I got you. If you want to explore this new era of gastronomy and you want to see more of this content, you know what you need to do. So join me as we walk through this new complex era in gastronomy.